Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to block out specific dates in Hostinger website builder booking system. This is a website that I've built using Hostinger website builder, and this is my booking system. As you can see, this website visitors can book with me a 1 hour personal training session. If I click on book now, as you can see, I work all week except Saturdays and Sundays. Let's say that I want to mark this specific Friday, 17th of January, because it is a holiday, for example. How to do that? Simply log in to your Hostinger account, then go to websites. On this account, I have multiple websites, and this website is this one. So instead of going to edit website, let's go directly to the store management area. Now click on appointments from this left sidebar. This is my current calendar, and to block this Friday 17th of January, instead of editing your availability, go directly to block time. As you can see from this new window, you can block out specific dates when your schedule differs from your regular hours. Let's locate January 17th. This is it. Click on it. It is added here below your unavailable dates. Now click on save. Let's refresh this page. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger website builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger website builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Now, when this website visitor clicks on book now, and if he tries to book this specific date, as you can see, it is grayed out or unavailable for booking. This is 17th, and he can't click on this exact specific date. And this is how to block out a specific date in Hostinger website builder booking system. If you have a question, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.